In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Google Workspace domain in just about 5 minutes. Google Workspace, formerly known as G Suite, is a collection of cloud computing, productivity, and collaboration tools, software, and products developed by Google. Verifying your domain is a crucial step in setting up your Google Workspace, as it proves to Google that you own the domain you're setting up for your Google Workspace services. Let's get right into it. First up, head over to Google Workspace. This is where you'll begin the process of verifying your domain with Google. It's pretty straightforward from the get-go, but ensuring you follow these steps accurately is key to a smooth verification process. Once you're at Google Workspace, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. This should be the account you want to associate with your Google Workspace services. If you're already logged into a Google account on your browser, Google may automatically select this account. If it's not the right account, you can switch to a different one at this point. After selecting the appropriate Google account, you'll need to enter your password. Make sure you enter it correctly to proceed to the next step without any hitches. Security is paramount with Google, so this step ensures that the process is being conducted by the rightful account owner. Next, you'll click on the Next button. This will take you further into the process where you'll get down to the nitty-gritty of verifying your domain. Now you'll navigate to the Accounts section. Here's a tip. Keep an eye out for Google's navigation layout. While it's designed to be user-friendly, sometimes the section you're looking for can be nestled under another category, or you might miss it if you're going too fast. Following that, click on the Domains section. Domains are crucial in Google Workspace as they represent your business's online identity. Managing your domains directly from Google Workspace streamlines the process, making it more efficient and centralized. You'll then select Manage Domains. This section is really where the magic happens in terms of domain management. From here you'll have access to several options, but our focus is on verifying your domain. Here's where you'll see your active domains listed. It's crucial at this point to identify the domain you're intending to verify for your Google Workspace. Once you've located your domain in the list, the verification process truly begins. Now, let's summarize. You started by accessing Google Workspace, navigating through your account and reaching the domain management section. This process is designed to be as smooth as possible, but remember, the key is accuracy at each step. This is how you ensure a successful verification of your domain with Google Workspace. Remember, verifying your domain is a critical step that not only enhances your security, but also fortifies your business's online presence through Google Workspace. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to verify your Google Workspace domain in just about 5 minutes. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make the most out of your digital tools and online presence.